Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we are going to learn about the materials. Okay, how to apply the material in Abacus and how to create the sections and how to apply on the parts. Okay, so firstly, before moving on to the material section, you have to aware about that Abacus having no unit system in the software. Okay, so it will not show any units in the Abacus. So some people might get confused if they are using for the first time, and if they don't aware about this system, then they have to know like which system you have to follow. Okay, so there are certain systems that you have to follow while giving the units in the Abacus or applying any values for the any properties, right? So if you are selecting for the length, you have to follow there are four different unit system available. So if you are applying for the meter, so you have to follow this panel, and if you are going for applying for the then you have to go to this unit system. Okay, so let's say I will select this SI system for the selection. So what I have to give? I have to give the density in ton per cube, energy into megajoule, stress into megapascal, time into second, mass into ton. Like that I have to follow. If you miss any of this, if you mismatch, then the results will very scary. Okay. So for that you have to strictly follow. If you can screenshot this and follow the practice while using the Abacus. Okay. So let's say I have imported this model. Okay, now I have to apply the material on the parts. So what I have to do, I'll just go to the material and go to the create. Then I have to apply the name of the material. Okay, whatever XYZ material you want to apply, then you can select. Okay, while go into the general, then you will see the density, depth, and all the other options are there. Okay, so for now I require only density, which is ton per cube. So what I will give, uh, 7.87. Okay, e raised to minus 9. Okay, this is the my density. Then I will go to the material section and go to the elasticity. In this elasticity you can apply the Young's modulus, okay, which will be in MPa. So 50, and Poisson ratio as usual 0.29 or 0.28, whatever you can give. Okay, so I have created the material, as you can see, but I cannot directly apply this material into the parts. Okay, there is a system which we have to follow. First we have to create the section which is having the material 1 into that section. Okay, so let's say I will create the section. You can create the section from here as well. Just go to the section and select the homogeneous, because it's a homogeneous material. Steel is a homogeneous material, so you can give the homogeneous material, continue, and it will show which material you have to select. Okay, like if I have created the material 2, then it will also showcase the material 2 as well in this. So in section 1, which material you have to apply, so that you have to select, and the section will be created. Now after the section created, now I have to apply that section into the parts. So how I can give? You can go to the section assignment. Okay, there is a section assign, and go to the assign. You can select from here as well, assign section, and I will go from here, section assignment. Now in this panel, select the regions to be assigned as a section. So what I will do, I'll select the section and done. Okay, which section I have to apply? Section 1. Just like material, you can create the various material, you can create the various sections types. Okay, which is a solid homogeneous material. So I have to apply OK. Now as you can see, my part is very different from others. It's showing the green. What it denotes? It denotes the material has been assigned in this part. Okay, so rest of the part you have to apply the sections accordingly. So I will apply the same section for this part as well. Okay, so I will give the section assignment and okay, and yeah, as you can see, now I will give the part 1 as well, part 3, part 2 and part 1. So material has been assigned. Okay, so that's how you can the apply the sections and materials, and this is how you can create the materials. Okay, so that's it for the video. Keep sharing, keep learning.